Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will show you how to make a green screen video plus how to add a subscribe button. So there are two ways to add the subscribe button. One, by making your own custom subscribe button, or click on the link in the description and just download a ready-made one. So you can use the time markers I have provided to not waste your time. So let's just head to my. So for making your own custom subscribe button, you first need to open a website called Canva. It helps you to design your thumbnails, channel art, Instagram posts, but we will be making the subscribe button here. So to do that, first uh, uh, you need to search YouTube thumbnail, because we need the subscribe button from the ratio of the size of the thumbnail. So just click on thumbnail and click on create a new blank YouTube thumbnail. Now just give it a background as a green, any green color, like just click on new color and give it a green shade like this. Now comes the main part. So first, to make your own subscribe button, you need to imagine how you want. Like some subscribe buttons have a subscribe along with a bell. Some subscribe buttons only have the button, or some have a subscribe button and a like button, and so on. So first you think about it and just design it in the same way. But I will be showing you only how to make the button. Rest all you can just search in the elements tab. Like if you want the like button, you can just search it here and you get it for free. But I'll show you how to make the subscribe button. There are two ways. Firstly, you can just search it in the elements tab and you get, but most of them are paid. So, or you can also make your own, like, so just search a button here and you can choose whichever button you like. Say I like this. So just drag it down and reduce the size. Yeah. Now, now what you can do is just search text. Choose the text if you want. Say I will like um you can choose any of your choice and write subscribe, and then you can change the font if you want. You can change the color if you want. You can also change the size if you want, and then just drag it inside the button. Now drag a box around the both and just group them together. Now only one thing is left: to animate the button. So to do that, you need to first click on the screen and click on animate. Now you get these uh, seven animations for free. All the crown ones means they are paid. So you can just choose any of them. Say I like rice. You can also choose this, but I will choose rice. So now that my subscribe button is done, I'll click on download. Keep the file as MP4 video only, because that is what we need, and click on download. If you have used the first method of the subscribe button, you can just skip this part and move to the editing portion of the video. But if you don't want to make your own subscribe button, you can just click the link in the description and search and browse through this website. You get many free templates here. So if you like any, just say I like this one. So I'll click on it and you click on free download. So the template will be downloaded. So now that you all have your own subscribe button, let's move to the editing part. Firstly, you need to import media into iMovie. So mine was called as um yeah, this. Now you need a media in which the green screen will blend into, like only the button should be seen. So to do that, I'll import one more media where I am there. So I guess this. Now, firstly, you need to drag in which you want the subscribe button to blend into. Then you drag the subscribe button over it. You can set where you want it to appear. Now you need to click on this button, video overlay settings, and then instead of cutaway, click on green blue screen. So now when you click on this, now you will see the subscribe button appear. So this is how you can edit green screen videos and add a custom subscribe. So this was all for today's video. If you liked the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you guys in the next one.